One of the biggest upgrades made with the NEX is the addition of the mopping attachment that adds another layer of functionality to Roidmi's latest stick vacuum. I've seen the advertisements, but does this technology really work? Can this replace a standalone mop? We'll put this feature through its paces in this video and see how it does in the real world. Roidmi says that a soft roller tool is water resistant, so I'll test how well it resists liquid messes and if cleaning stuff like ketchup, soy sauce, and others like it will have a negative effect on the vacuum. The goal of these tests is to see if the NEX mop will work as advertised. The NEX's mop tool isn't standalone, meaning it attaches behind the main cleaning nozzle using a magnet. Take note that this tool isn't compatible with the F8, so if you want this feature, you'll have to go with the NEX over the F8. I already have a video comparing the F8 and the NEX, so please check the description for the link. The mop attachment is quite small. It's even smaller than a Swiffer. It's a narrow contraption with an opening on the side to pour water in. You'll get two microfiber pads that stick on the bracket using Velcro. If you check Roidmi's page on Kickstarter, the mop works using an intelligent slow drip system that controls the speed of water to keep the pad damp without getting soaking wet. By the way, Roidmi says that this technology is patented, so let's see if it really works. When I saw the ad, I had to somewhat replicate it but in a different way, using common household stuff. I wanted to see how easy or hard the cleanup was after using the mop on a big pile of mess, if it was worth the hassle of using it as a standalone mop. Sadly, it did not perform well in this particular test. The soft roller brush splattered stuff inside the main cleaning head. It was a huge mess. I liked that the soft roller bar was easy to wash and was water resistant as advertised. The issue I see using this as a mop would be the electric components degrading from repeated use. It was a pain cleaning the main nozzle. Just look at the mess inside with the ketchup dripping all over the place. It will take time to wipe off crud from the tight spaces, particularly inside the flexible hose that connects to the wand. The wand was also messy with ketchup residue on the inner shaft. You have no choice but to rinse it off. Another area that needs cleaning is the main nozzle of the handheld unit. The accumulation isn't as bad as it was on the floor tool, but it's another spot you need to clean. Stuff also seeped through inside the dust cup and I had to wash everything out. I don't think it's worth the hassle of mopping a big mess only to spend more time cleaning the tool itself. The NEX mop may work on small messes, but expecting it to clean big spills is a recipe for disappointment. I hope this video has helped you with how the NEX mop works and its potential weak points. If you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and hit that bell icon to get notified for future reviews.